How to add a screen time widget on your home screen for your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro phone with Android 14 Hyper OS, and the same for other Redmi Note 13 Pro or other Note 13 models. If it's your first time doing this here, basically you want to long press a blank area on the home screen like this here until this happens. Then you'll see the widgets option show right there where you can see the widgets show up here as an option. And as you tap on that here, you're going to be taken to this section here where there's going to be plenty of different widgets to look for. But what I want you to do now is go ahead and type in the words screen time. Use the search here and type in screen time. Okay, just type that in and just wait for it to load up and you will see the options here. Okay, and you will know it's a screen time widget as it will tell you what it is. Okay, so this is a Chinese model but with a global ROM. Okay, so it'll appear in the Chinese text here at first, but once you select it, you have either these two to choose from. And when you select it here like that, here it's gonna load up like that and just add to home screen. And you'll see now in a moment, it's gonna turn into English for you, which is gonna be pretty cool. And I do like the idea of that there. And that would be it. So once you're done, press the check mark. And maybe it appeared somewhere you don't want it to be. So you can long press it and you can just simply just drag it to where you want it, okay? So you can place it to another part of your screen, even bring it over to another part of the home page here, and then you'll have this right here like that, okay? And of course, if you don't want it, you can remove it to add something else and just press remove, and you're good to go. I like it so.